Honorable Franz Castro is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yun na yung tanong ko sana, no, yung tungkol doon sa, Mr. Chair, yung attempted homicide.
Before you
Okay.
continue, the chair
Okay.
would like to recognize the presence of the Honorable Vice President Sara Duterte. Please continue.
Okay, Mr. Chair, so nakita natin, no, yung melodramatic na nangyari noong weekend, at nakita natin yung kwento ng ating yung ni SecGen, SAA, tungkol doon sa, Mr. Chair, parang merong problema sa audio, Mr. Chair. At nakita natin, Mr. Chair, na talagang taliwas sa mga napanood natin sa social media, doon sa